a normal camping story. So yeah, let's get into it. Just gotta wait for it to load. Let's do this thing. I'm just gonna turn up the sound a little bit because it is live. So yeah, let's do this. Okay. I hope y'all can hear me. Lol. Oh my god. There's only 3 players. Oh. Seriously? What? Lol. Oh. Oh, now there's only 2 people. Alright, I guess we're just gonna play with just us 2 then. Oh, I don't know this dude. Oh, wow. Okay, that's just totally normal. Oh, wow, that is super detailed. Hello. Sorry. Because we don't want to be excited. Because it's normal, that's why it's different. Yes, hurry up, I want to go. Yes. Wait, how are you so fast? Froggy! He's a frog guy. Oh, the frog guy. It is beautiful. It's a froggo. It's adorable. The wood is also very clear. Oh my god. Froggo. Ah! Oh. Yes, I saw it. Now let's go. Okay, come on, let's go. Hurry up. Oh, let's move across. Yay! Oh my god. Stopping again. Here we are. Yes, we can read a sign. Sorry. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore the places. Just ignore the fact that it's called spooky, but it's forest. Why we stop? Where's the music? I'll just go. What's with the face? Jerry! Jerry, no! Jerry! Jerry, no! Jerry, please, don't do this. Jerry, no! Ah! Ah, yeah, don't need to tell me twice, I'm running. Where can we run to? Bob! Bob, you idiot. Did you seriously name a monster or is it a man in the costume? Oh, he is a monster. If he's a peaceful monster, then why does he look like that? Tell me why. I don't like the face. This teeth is just not my thing. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Bob. I really like you. You look very nice. Oh. The rope! What did he say? Jerry, I'm starting to think you're the monster and that's actually the real Jerry. And Bob. Why do I have an accent like that? It's not my accent, to be honest. Is that it? Oh, it's the intro. Toast. Yum. I hope it's just the intro. It looks very nice. Sorry about that. A bit close, aren't you, dear? Oh, this mic is very confusing. Ah! Stop moving. Grimace. Oh look, it's Bob. He's tied up and he's got his little pet toy. I mean his little pet. Oh Bob, you look adorable there, lovely. Oh Bob, aren't you just a cutie? I know. Wait, how come you get the house and we have the tents? How come, Jerry? Oh my god, and our tents are empty. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I saw some. Why can't I go? What? Oh, fishy. Yes, I know we're going to sleep outside, but I want to go in the water. Why not? I'll tell you lots of things. Bugs, and since we're in the forest, wildlife. You can't really trust nature. I mean, nature's beautiful, but you can't trust her. Oh, this mic is so confusing. No, Jerry, can we? No, I want to go in the water. The water, Jerry. Oh my god, is the bathroom all the way out there? I'd rather go pee in the lake. Golly gosh, you'd rather pee in the lake than walk all the way over here for a bathroom. Let me guess, over there. Oh, look, a teddy! Two bathroom stalls, and I can't even go in. Yeah, but Jerry, they're locked. Hey Jerry, I think someone is here. Oh no! Jerry! 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 Jerry, you better know this person. Jerry! Jerry, what are you doing? He didn't even wash his hands! He didn't wash his hands! I know, right? That's the most disgusting... Well, at least the store is open now. I need to go. Are you kidding me? I don't want to go outside and he's just around the corner. You go out first. Chamir. Kutte. Don't know that name. Lovely. Yeah, can I go in the water then? Water, not water. Can I go in the water? Yes, I know the night's coming. Does it look like... I don't know how to read it. Clock. Jerry, you coming? Okay, Jerry's not gonna come with us. I can go in the water. The water, yay! I still can't go in the water. I'm gonna go visit my friend Bob. Oh no, my friend left. Aw, I'm playing. I'm sad. Well, anyway, I was gonna go see my friend Bob. Hello, Bob. What you doing, right? Bob, can I go inside? I don't like the outside, to be honest. Well, I'll ask Jerry. If he lets me. Jerry, can I go inside? Jerry, I don't want to be outside. Bob, help me. Bob, please be my friend. Can I sleep in your tent? I know it might seem weird, but like, can I sleep in your tent? I don't want to collect firewood. I want to go with my friend Bob. Or sleep in the cabin. Oh, of course it's me, because I'm the only one here. Look, I found one already. Yeah, Jerry, you need to help me too. Jerry, that good, Jerry. Jerry! That was my piece of log. Curse you, Jerry. Jerry, you're no help. How come? Okay. Never mind. I'll just get Jerry's logs. 7? I'm all by myself, mate. Can't Jerry help at least find at least 3? Or like half of 7? 7's an even number, so I don't know what half of 7 is. But 8 then make it. Jesus. Jerry, I can't see a thing. Jerry! Oh look, lovely. Piece of log over here. I need 2 more. Oh! Yes, can I leave? Well, I think I'm supposed to go over here, am I? Oh my god. Can I leave? Jerry, I want to go home. Don't ask why I want to go home. I want to go home. Jerry, I don't think I want to sleep in your tent anymore. I think I want to sleep with Bob. I want to stay with Bob. Bob seems very nice. Yeah, I know, Jerry. Okay, Jerry, where is it? Huh? Where, Jerry? Where? Go. Go find it yourself, Jerry. Jerry, literally no help. What did you do, Jerry? Tell me, what did you do? Bob, can you help me? Jerry's no help. Seriously? Can we go in the water? Is it in the water? Jerry, I'm not trying to play hide and go seek or like a treasure hunt. I want to get going. Because Jerry, this is not fun. Not at all. Cry, Minnie, cracks, Jerry. Oh my god. When I tell you that wasn't there before, it wasn't there. I'm telling you, it was not there before. Yes, I can see the night is coming. Or is it just me? Am I blind? The sun's not setting. Jerry! Stay near the fire, Jerry. Where's my friend Bob? Hi, Bob. See your face. Your face looks lovely from here, Dad. So what? Can we roast marshmallows at least? Sandwiches. Jerry, have you never been on a camping trip? Sandwiches. I bet you my sandwich is poison because I'm the only one here. Numb. I'm so dead, eh, Jerry? Hey, Jerry, why don't you have some? Here. Have some, Jerry. Don't tell me I was poisoned. Oh, yay, goody. And I'm going to be poisoned because I'm the only one here. I hate you, Jerry. Of course I ate it. What? Burn me alive, Jerry. Burn me... What? Jerry! I swear to God, Jerry. My health goes down. It's all in you. I still honestly don't know why I'm speaking this. Trying to scare me? I think you're trying to give me a heart attack, mate. Wait. Yes, go to the bathroom. Wait, no. Jerry, take me with you. Because I swear to God, if something comes out of the water. Jerry! 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 I'm scared. Jerry left me. Bob, will you protect me? Please, Bob, protect me. Fuck no. Oh no. Bob? Bob? Jerry, come back. Jerry, please come back. I'm scared. No. What was that? I'm staying in the fire. Where's Jerry? Bob? I don't even see Bob. I don't like this. Can I please leave the game? Ah! Bob! Bob, don't scare me like that. Jesus, Bob. Bob, please be nice. I complimented you. I was being nice to you, Bob. Please be nice. Bob, please protect me. You're my only friend. No, Bob can talk. Bob can talk. I'm going to be nice in real life. Bob? Bob, if you protect me, I'll protect you. Bob, I will be nice. Bob, I love you. I'll follow you, Bob. Oh, it's a bunny. It's just a bunny. Wait, actually, I don't touch that rabbit. It's got an evil look to it. No, don't laugh at Bob. Don't laugh at Bob. That's not just a bunny. It's not just a bunny there. Oh, hell nah, sugar cube. Ah! Sorry. Hey yo, I can't run. Run! Bob, get in the cabin. Bob, screaming. Bob.
Oh no, did Bob die?
Bob, no. Yes, we should let Bob enter. Let Bob in. Yes, we got to let Bob in. Bob's my friend. Hurry up. Go let Bob in. Bob, don't die. Under this 13 seconds, don't die. Quickly, Bob. Oh, Bob, I swear if I die. Quickly, close the door. Close it. Good. Okay, Bob. Oh, Jerry's back. I don't like Jerry. Nope, not anymore. Bob's my only friend. Bob, no, Jerry, tell me. Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear. There was this thing chasing us, Jerry. I tell you, it wasn't very nice. And look at my health. Lost a lot of health. Why is Bob here? Bob was hiding with me. Bob was scared. We were attacked by a masked man. Guy, because he ain't no man. So we ran into the cabin. Bob followed me and I let him enter. See, Bob's very nice. He's my best friend. Look, there's fish here for Bob. Scary story. It wouldn't be scary if Bob was here. Bob told me himself. It's not a story. Bob even said it. What's in this room? Hey Jerry, what's in this room? Jerry, please, tell me what's in the room. Can we sleep aside, please, Jerry? Thank you. Can Bob sleep with me? Can Bob sleep in my bed? Yeah, Bob's sleeping in my bed. Come on, Bob, let's go. Yeah, there's still 1% that isn't safe. 1%. It needs 100% to be safe. Come on, Bob, let's go. No, don't try Bob again. Bob needs me. Do not. Yes, let him sleep with us. Please? Please, Jerry. Yay. Come on, Bob. You're my best friend. Let's go, Bob. Best friend Bob. Let's go. What on earth? Bob? Why did you scream, Jerry? See? Bob. Best friend Bob. Best friend Bob, you got a hole in your teeth. Yes, let's go back to sleep. I called top bunk. You can. Oh, let me guess. The masked man got you too. Teddy bear's all the way in the bathroom. Can Bob come with me, please? You get it yourself. The bathroom, we saw it. Who takes their teddy bear to the bathroom? Honestly. Oh. Yeah. Hello. Hello there. Don't like you. Definitely don't. Can Bob at least come with me, please? Yeah, Jerry, that ain't gonna work, honey. Honey, Jerry, it ain't gonna work. You're not my honey. There's no assassin. Well, maybe you're the assassin. Second, I really can't sleep without my teddy. Well, learn to keep your teddy inside and not take it all the way to the freaking bathroom. Fine. Come on, Bob. Can Bob come with me at least? Can Bob please come? Come on, Bob. Please come with me. Oh, you guys are mean. Bob, you're still my best friend, but like... Can the rabbit? I wish I could run. Please. I don't have a friend. Wait a minute. Did it purposely kick everyone out? Oh my god. Did it purposely kick everyone out? I swear to God, if that man is in... The mouse man is in there. I'm scared. I'm so scared right now. Ah! Jesus Christ, minis. Ah! 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 Why can't I run faster? He's right behind me. He's right behind. How is he so freaking fast? Ah, he's shooting at me. Bob, can't you see this? Bob.
Stop screaming!
I risked my freaking life for your teddy bear. I got shot at. Do you have a med kit? Yeah, I got shot at. Bob, please. Bobby. Bobby. Didn't you hear the shots? Oh, we know you're the assassin, Jerry. How did you not hear a literal gun? Yeah, he can't even talk. Anyways, Jerry, here's your teddy. Come on, bear. Bob, please protect me. I got shivers. Actually, I got wounds everywhere on my body because I don't have a freaking med kit. Jerry. Yeah, right. Mr. Did the thing just talk? I'm going to bed. Nice. Yeah, I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping, alright? I am sleeping. Get out of here, Jerry. You stupid ale. You stupid ale. Bear. It's morning. Can we go swimming today? And leave? Where's Bob? Did he tie Bob back up? Bob's not downstairs either. But where's Bob? Where's my best friend Bob? Do we have a best friend Bob? Where are they? Oh, look, there's Jerry and Bob. What are they doing? Don't send Bob away, please. If you send him away, send me away with him. Bob protects me. Bob's my friend. Bob, you're leaving? Bob, no, take me with you. Bob. What if it's too dangerous for him? It's too dangerous for me. He's my brother. From another mother. Oh, I'll tell you what happened. How come he just gets to go freely and I don't? That's not fair. I still love him. It's raining. Can we go inside, please? Please. Don't be sad, Jerry. Bob was my friend too before you attacked us. I'm getting suspicious of you, Jerry. Very suspicious. Oh, Jerry. You still have a med kit for me. It's okay, my friend. I hate you. Fine, I'm going upstairs soon. I still need 1% more, and then it'll be 100%. Target, the place is on fire. Yo, the cabin's on fire. Can we go home? Yo, this fish will at least cook on the fire. It says do not enter 0% save. I'd rather burn in the fire. Is that where this 1% is? In that cave? Yeah, let's stay here. Actually, you know we're staying here. Mate, I'd rather die in the fire. I'd rather wait for a ranger. Yep, the rain would put out the fire. Starting to think I made a bad mistake. No, see, Jerry, I love it. I love it. I love it. Look, help is here. Wait a minute. No. No, Jerry, don't open it. Jerry! See, I told you, Jerry. Jerry, don't listen. Jerry? Jerry, I told you. Jerry, why don't you listen to me? Oh my God. Jerry? Yeah, Jerry, can't you see the cabin over there? Well... Look, Jerry, look, the TV. Jerry, I'm kind of scared. I can trust you now that you're not masked man. Dude, he's just outside, actually. I saw him. Hello. Hello. Iwan. Juan, it's in the first Avatar. And, oh, that little ducky. Little ducky goes that. Oh, here we go. Sorry. You're also right outside. And what do you want to play? Ooh, goody. What do you want to play? Everyone, it's just me and Jerry. Oh yes, the duck is very cute, I must say. I love the duck. Oh, pardon me. Oh, it's a bomb. Oh my god, I knew it! Yay! Round of applause for me. It will explode. What did he say? What did he say? Oh my god, I have to share it with my friends. Give it a like? Seriously? Wait. Is this illegal? Yeah, is this legal? Oh, it is. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay. Liver oof. Oh my god, I hate oof. Do we get that little option thing coming up, or do we actually have to do it? I'll give it a like. I can just exit out of it. Yeah, this is bad, Jerry. What do you think? Okay. There, I liked it. You happy, Jerry? I liked it. Do you want me to? I did it! Jerry, I did it! Oh my god, did I do it too early? I liked it. Jerry, I liked it. Jerry, is it going to explode? I liked it. Oh my god, Mark. Oh. No, you didn't. You didn't get a lot of likes. No, you just got about 17k. Jerry, you're not a genius. Jerry and Mark, you're not geniuses. And Mark, I'm still not forgiving you. You shot at me and stabbed me. Hey, look, it's Bob. Bob. Hi, Bobby. My friend. What? Bob. Hi, Bob. I did like the game. Now shut up, Jerry. Look, it's my friend Bob. Hi, Bob. Wait. What's wrong, Marky? Oh, Bob, where did you go? Mark, you shouldn't be out there playing. Bob! Bob, are you sweating? Oh, Bob's sweating. Bob, please answer it. Please do. The hell. Here he is. Hey, you're the 1 minute counter right when you're going down. Bob! Please, we need to run. Come on, Bob, move. Yes, I have plenty of time. I've seen a lot of ducks. Boop. Come on, Bob. Bob, I trust you. No, I trust Bob. I trust Bob.
Oh, he's the killer.
Seriously! You got to be kidding me. At least, did I at least survive? Didn't even give options. Oh my god, me and Bob are going to escape. you, Broken Toast. That was a very nice game. Make sure you guys go subscribe to them. Okay. You're welcome. Anyway, guys, that is the end of my live stream. Thank you for watching. Hope you all had a great day and will have a great day. Oh my god, I'm so good. Anyways, have a great day. Bye.